All right, back on the Nova. We're gonna be replacing the rear bumper. I started taking it out. I thought I had the camera on, but I didn't, so it was easy. These 4 bolts here on this side, these 4 on this side. I got these oiled already, so I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna clean out the bracket, chase these screws right here, these holes, chase those, clean up the threads, and paint it. And here's the license plate. Make sure the light works. And the bumper I got, it's a brand new reproduction bumper, so you can see this one started rusting out right here pretty bad. So I say, what the heck, let's just go ahead and get another one. So all right, let's start putting it on. Well, this bracket's off. You can see where all the rust on the bumper is. Wow, that's pretty messed up. And the bracket doesn't look too happy either, but I guess we could clean it up, kind of grind this off a little bit, and it should be fine. Paint it. It'll be good for another 50 years, I guess. That one I got a couple more bolts to take off, so let's go ahead and do that. We'll be fine, we'll be set. All right, we got the brackets cleaned up. I moved the light, the license plate light had a little crimp on the wire here, so I repaired that. And unfortunately, the bolt place was closed. I'm gonna put new bolts on these. These are pretty, actually pretty rusted out. So just gonna probably wait till Monday and get some bolts for these. I do have some new chrome bolts for the side. These goes on the side right here, so we'll put those on, brand new ones. So well, that's where I'm at with this. We'll wait till we get the bolts and we'll put it on. Well, I got the brackets cleaned up and painted up. I put the license plate light on it. And I knew I had some of these bolts. These are actually new bolts. They're a little bit they're a little bit bigger, but they'll do. They're nice and clean. They're brand new, so we'll use those. And I have to get 2 new bolts for these right here. These are pretty messed up. I don't want to use them. So all right, let's get back to putting this together. Well, I went ahead and cleaned out these threads, and this nut, it just came unwelded, so it goes right here. I should take it off again and re-weld it, but I already done tighten up all these screws. So I use these smaller screws here for now, but maybe when I take the bracket off again, I'll weld this. I don't know, maybe I'll just leave it on with 3 bolts. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But these big bolts here, they look pretty good. They're already on there. This thing it's pretty solid, so we'll just leave that there for now and put it back on the car, see where we're at. Well, there it is. It's on. It actually wasn't really hard to put on at all. I ended up welding up that one nut that was broken. I took it apart again and put it back on there, so actually looks pretty good. It's way better than the other one, and the stock one. You can see there's a lot of rust on it. It's pretty bad. So, but anyway, that's the factory bumper there. That's the original one. But there it is. It looks good. I'm almost done with it. I just gotta clean it up a little bit and probably start cruising it next weekend. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Either way, let me know what you think of this car. All right, have a good weekend, be safe, and see you next time.